everyone, it is Susie and I hope everybody is doing well. Want to say happy 4th of July to everybody. This will probably be the last video for a little while, but I wanted to pop in really quick, and Amanda has sent me the June box, and so I wanted to do an unboxing of the June Your Creative Studio. So let's get in. Now I have undone it, but I do not know what is in this box. I always love to just do it with you all, and we can kind of just see what's in it together. So here is, of course, Amanda's card that she always sends in her box. And let's see what we have here. Let's see. Where's my little, where did my little, oh, there it is. I was going to say, where did my little seal go? There we go. So let's get it open and kind of see what's in it. Okay, so I kind of straightened up the box just a little bit. Here is a really cute this is actually like a little pocket watch. How cute. And it is actually working. How cute is that? That is adorable. So it's a necklace, of course, but kind of like a little pocket watch. How cute. Okay, what have we got here? These are always fun. They're usually vellum or something. Oh, how cute. I love these. These are about coffee. Espresso. Oh, these are darling. Tea time. Oh, yeah. These are so cute. Latte. Super cute. I love those. Okay, let's see what else. Here's some little ice coupons. Yes, these are adorable. I love the vintage ice coupons. I found some, it's been some time back, I found the actual vintage coupons and bought them at a thrift store down by St. Louis, Missouri, not too long. Well, it's been a little while. Okay, let's see what this is. This is a cling stamp, so let's open it up and see what we've got here. Oh, it's a dragonfly. How cute. Yeah, a dragonfly cling stamp. That is adorable. As a matter of fact, I bet that's... Nope, that's not what she stamped that with. I thought maybe that's what she had stamped on her card there. That is cute. Let's see what... This is a washi. Oh, that's darling. There we are. Oh, that is super darling. Look at that. That is a pretty washi tape. Okay, there's that. Love that. And then I've actually had some of these before, and I love them. These are just like little vintage look airmail envelopes. Those are just darling. Love those. Those are cool. And then we have some dragonfly sticky notes, which are just adorable. Those are really pretty. I love the purple in that. So cute. Okay. And we have another cling stamp here. Let's see what we've got. And this is, oh, that's really pretty. That's like a dragonfly on a flower. That is really cute. So I love that. That's a really big stamp too. And then we have some memo. It says memo cards is what I think it says there. Oh yeah, that's really cute. Just another, oh how cute. I love that. Margaret Mitchell, looks like. How cute. Yep, Margaret Mitchell. Those are cute. So just a little memo pad there. That's cute. And then we've got this sticker sheet of dragonflies. And then we've got some, this just looks like regular vellum. It doesn't look like the sticky back. Look how cute. That is adorable. All with the dragonflies. Adorable. Love the vellums. But I really do like dragonflies. This is really a cool little kit with the dragonflies because I really do love the dragonflies. And then this here are just some, looks like some little cards here. And they're not sticky back, they're just regular little labels, little cards and things. Vintage guest checks. Leather goods. Cute. It's got a pelican on it, it looks like. So I like that. Alright guys, so here is the June box for the Your Creative Studio. I hope everybody has a great holiday. I have my home under contract and of course going through all the process of that. But anyway, I know that it will be probably, you know, 30 days or so unless I just pop in with a quick video of something. But this will probably be the last video for just a little while I get settled and I got supplies packed and I've kept some supplies out, so I'm just in the middle of a big mess is what I am. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching and I will catch you in the next video.